Hey guys, this is Explorer again. In front of me I got a Dell Dimension C521. It's an older computer, XP machine. If you want to install Windows 10 or 8 on this unit, there's a lot of problems and stuff that comes about. So I installed a program on this USB flash drive called Easy to Boot. EASY number 2 BOOT. Okay, alright, let's start the unit up. After you install the Easy to Boot onto the USB flash drive, the Windows that you're going to be using, you have a folder in there called iOS on your Easy to Boot program. You go in using another computer and you install your Windows. It has Windows XP, has Windows Vista, and you have your other Windows. You got to drop your program in there. Alright, you start your unit up and hit F12 when you're on your Dell logo. Alright, you come to this prompt and you come down here and hit F1. Alright, now the USB flash drive is recognized as a USB zipped. So you select there and hit enter. And there you go. Okay. Loading the program. Alright. You got several options here, so don't get confused, okay? Okay, you can put set default menu, but you need to go down to Windows. To right there, number 3. And you come down here and you hit enter. And it will come up with this screen. Okay, now you have your options right here. Windows XP and whatever Windows you want to install, it would be in this list. When you go into the program using another computer, you could drop like Windows 7 and it would show like Windows 7 here too. So what you do to start out, you use the first one, you go down here and hit enter. Okay, and it's going to prompt you again. And you got to hit 1 and enter for this selection here, because you're going to be booting Windows XP. So you want to hit 1 and enter. And you just wait a minute. Okay, that's your Windows setup. Okay, that's all you have to do to set up Windows of any kind on the system. You just use Easy to Boot. It works really well. Which I don't want to install the prompt. As you can see, it loaded it up. Let's turn this machine off. But Easy to Boot's really easy. Okay. On this Dell, you have a service tag for drivers. It's on the top of the machine mostly. You type that service tag in. Then you go over to another computer. Then you go up and hit this tab because I saved it. Okay. Then it's right here. Okay. Once you put your service tag in for your Dell, they do still support the drivers for this unit. So right down here it's like your critical drivers you need. And these the other drivers, the see all. And you got about every driver you need. This unit uses the NVIDIA chipset for the video and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. So without the USB drive, without doing anything extra, or somebody telling you go through BIOS and mess with it, you have a big problem, stuff make it real complicated, which it's not. So this is the results of what you get. It's pretty darn cool. And you just go to Dell and put this service tag number in, and they'll pull up all the drivers and whatever you need for your operating system. And that is how you reinstall Windows XP or Windows Vista 7, 10, or 11 onto this Dimension desktop. It's a really cool computer. It'd be good for somebody to be a gamer. It's another item that's going to be at our Peddler's Mall. And I went out asked $79.98 for it because I installed a brand new 500 gig hard drive in the system. It has 1 gigabyte of memory, and I borrowed 256 megabytes for the video, which you could put a card in this computer to upgrade the video, if you can see it there. Has the onboard audio and LAN and all that good stuff, but you can upgrade this computer pretty darn easy. So I hope that I helped you in any way possible installing your Windows on your older Dell, this C521 Dimension desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day.